Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to get ASB New Zealand Bank overdraft money. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for ASB NZ Overdraft, which stands for ASB New Zealand Overdraft. Then we're going to click on the first link that pops up. And as you can see, this is their overdrafts page. So when we scroll downwards, the frequently asked questions, we're going to click on number 1. So how do we get the overdraft? So we call them on their number, or we can visit their nearest ASB branch. So we can use either of the two. So what's an overdraft? As you can see, it's a revolving loan that appears as a limit and available balance on your everyday account. So basically, this is what overdraft is. So there are two types, arranged and unarranged. So how much does it cost? So it depends on the type. So as you can see, the interest could be calculated once a month. So as you can see, these are the interest rates and fees. So to apply for an overdraft, you can either call them or visit their branch. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.